kita mulai aja. Uh, Welcome to podcast where we dive deep into topics that matter. I'm your host. My name Ahmad Ihwan, and in today's episode, we'll be exploring a topic that sparks debate and discussion during every general election golput. Joining me today is Mas Rizal Fauzi, an expert in political sessions. Welcome, Mas Rizal.
Thank you for having me, Mr. Ihwan. I'm excited to discuss this important issue with you.
To start off, let's clarify what golput is for our listeners who may not be familiar with the term.
Absolutely. Golput is a movement where individuals choose not to vote in an election as a form of protest or dissatisfaction with the available candidates or the electoral system itself. It's often seen as a statement against the pervasive lack of valuable option or a systemic issue within the political process.
So essentially, it's deliberate discussion to abstain for voting. What are some of the reasons people choose to golput?
There are several reasons why individuals may opt to golput. One common reason is disillusionment with the political establishment or a feeling that their vote won't make a meaningful difference. Others may see it as a way to protest against corruption, inequality, or other system issue within the government.
That makes sense. However, abstaining from voting as its critics, what are some of the criticisms leveled against golput?
Critics of golput argue that abstaining from voting undermines the democratic process. They argue that by not participating, individuals are essentially forfeiting their right to influence the outcome of an election and contribute to shaping the future of their country. Additionally, some critics suggest that golput can inadvertently benefit certain candidates or parties by reducing voter turnout and skewing the result in their favor.
So it's not just about personal experience, but also about the broader implication for democracy. Are there any potential consequences of golput that we should be aware of?
Absolutely. One consequence of golput is that it can lead a sense of disengagement and apathy among the electorate. When large number of people abstain for voting, it can weaken the legitimacy of elected government and diminish public trust in the political system as a whole. Furthermore, golput can also contribute to a cycle of underrepresentation, where certain group community feel marginalized and excluded from the political process.
As we wrap up today's discussion, it's clear that golput is a complex issue with both pros and cons. While it can serve as powerful form of protest against perceived injustice, it also raises important questions about the health of democrats. institution and the need for greater civic engagement.
Absolutely, Mr. Ihwan. Regardless of where one stands on the issue, it's essential to recognize the significance of political participation and the role it plays in shaping the future of our society.
Well said. Thank you, Mr. Rizal, for sharing your insight with us today. And thank you to our listeners for tuning in. Join us next time for another thought-provoking episode of podcast. Until then, take care.
Thank you for having me, Mr. Ihwan. It was a pleasure.